The St. Andrew South police suspect that a man found dead with bullet wounds on 3rd Street in Greenwich Farm this morning was involved in Friday night shooting of a constable in the area. Head of the division, Senior Superintendent Kirk Ricketts, says the deceased was clutching a firearm. SSP Ricketts says the body was found while the police carried out a search of the community following the attack on a patrol team. It's reported that the patrol team made inquiries of a group of men acting suspiciously. The men pulled firearms and there was a shootout. SSP Ricketts says a constable was wounded. He is in stable condition. And the Police Officers Association is encouraging police personnel to remain vigilant and to apply their training to defend themselves. Chairman of the POA, Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron, says any attack on members of the security forces is an attack on the state. SSP Cameron is urging members not to be deterred by criminals.
I really want to send a message to those gun-toting criminal elements out there that if it is they are challenging the police, they need to know that they will be challenged too. If it is that they are targeting police officers, they need to know that they will be targeted too. And this is a situation just to remind the citizens of this country that the police is here to serve and protect, and we will continue to do that.